Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Growtopia connection errors. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A quick check of other websites or apps can confirm this. Next, completely restart the Growtopia application and your device, whether it's a phone or computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, always check the official Growtopia social media or website to confirm their servers are operational before proceeding. Moving on, your network settings or security software might be interfering. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus program for a few minutes to see if that resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Another crucial step is to flush your DNS cache. This can clear old, incorrect network information. You can usually do this through your operating system's command prompt. If possible, test connecting from a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Sometimes, corrupted or outdated game files are the culprit. Start by clearing Growtopia's cache and any temporary files associated with the game. This can often be done through your device's application settings. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of Growtopia is highly recommended. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the game. Always make sure your game client is updated to the very latest version available, as older versions may have connectivity bugs. If you're still experiencing issues, consider checking for any pending system updates for your device's operating system. Outdated system software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. If all else fails, the most direct path to a solution is contacting Growtopia's official support team. They can provide personalized assistance and specific troubleshooting steps. Additionally, browsing community forums can reveal common issues and solutions shared by other players, offering valuable insights into your specific problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.